Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is a very quick video. I want us to review another old survey site, and the name of the site is called Paidviewpoint. This is a very old survey site which I was used to work on very long time ago, but they are still there. They are still paying on time. And before we even continue, for you to register and cash out successfully on Paidviewpoint, you need a verified PayPal. Personally, my account, I have a verified USA PayPal, and also you need a permanent USA number or whichever country number or your country's number. For example, what I mean is that if you create a UK account, make sure you have a permanent UK account, because you're going to need it in every cash out for confirming the code for payment, for verifying your account. So but once you reach another level, like after like 5 cash outs, they will not require you to verify your phone in every single cash out. But the first few cash outs, I don't know the actual number where they stop asking for phone number verification, but the very first few cash outs, they are going to require you to first of all link your verified PayPal account and verify your number in every single cash out. But once you become an active member of Paidviewpoint, after several cash out, they usually stop asking for number verification, and they only continue with linking your verified PayPal in every cash out. So that's most important. The other thing you need to know to work well on Paidviewpoint is to raise your trade score. My active account, I have like 10,000. I have 10,000 trade score, which helps me to get high-paying surveys. Remember, they don't provide survey every single day. They send surveys on your email as they become available. If you enable notification on your browser, they can also send you notifications on your browser whenever a survey is available. And when the surveys are available, they're displayed here, and the surveys get finished very fast. So if you get a survey, you're supposed to do it as soon as possible. As soon as you get the notification for doing that particular survey, you should not wait any time. You should work on it. So this is a new account which I'm showing you here. I created using my Gmail. Also, once you create a new account, the next thing you're supposed to do is to create a profile. So when I click get started here, the first survey is usually a profile survey. And you've been following my YouTube videos, that's the basic thing you have to do on all survey sites. Whenever you create a new survey account, the first thing they ask you is to create a survey profile, so that they can show you the relevant surveys depending with your profile. So this is basically a video supposed to watch here for 2 minutes. Let me mute for copyrights. Yeah, it's an introductory video. You're supposed to watch it up to 2 minutes. I don't have that time. I'll watch it later. I have already watched it. I already have an account. So once you do that and follow the other procedures, the next thing you're going to tell you is to complete a survey profile. Yeah, once you complete this survey for 1 minute of watching that video, you're going to be rewarded 50 cents. Then the next thing you're supposed to do is to go to your profile here, click profile here, update your profile. For example, mine haven't done anything. This is a new account which I did for purpose of creating this whatever. So first, if you do that, you watch that video, you get rewarded 50 cents. Then come here under profile, fill up your profile, all the relevant details. You know how to create a survey profile, add everything necessary here. Once you finish that, go back here, update your cash out information, and the minimum cash out is $15. So make sure you earn up to $15. So here, cash out options, they tell you to complete your profile to search cash out. So for you to update your cash out information, where you add your PayPal, you have to complete your profile first, and it's the same one which I showed you here. So once you do that, you're good to go. But remember, you need a verified PayPal depending on the country in which you are registered on, and you need a permanent number for verification. And permanent number is asked for the first several cash outs. Once they gain trust with you, they only be requiring you to verify to link your PayPal in every single cash out, and you're good to go. So another thing, I've talked about cash out info, trade score. Also, you can earn by inviting friends. If you have good friends, you are good at marketing, you can invite friends and they can earn. And also you guide them on how to earn on Paidviewpoint. For example, I'm going to pin my invite link under the video description. You have two options. You can register directly to the site. You can go to the site, search Paidviewpoint and register, or you can promote me by clicking on the referral link, and I'll get your referral and you'll get referral earnings from your earnings. But this is not a must. It all depends on you. If you want to use my link, I'll pin the link under the video description of this video. So out of all the info I told you today, the other most important info is to raise your trade score. Make sure it's 10,000 up to here. So what you do, just come to raise trade score. They provide easy questions which you're supposed to fill continuously. So in every step they show a video, so I don't have time for watching this video. So just watch this video and they show you how it's done. So the higher the trade score, the more the high paying survey that you're going to be getting every single day. So this is my active account. I registered so many years ago, some few years back. This year I was not active, and you can see so far I just became active a few days ago. Remember, they don't have surveys every single day. They send surveys after some time, and also they have been sending surveys to me, but I've been missing them because I'm busy with other stuff. So that's why I'm not being active here. But it's a very, very easy survey site. So you can see my lifetime earning is around 122 on this site. So I'm showing you something which I'm working on. You can see my trade score is around 10,000. So whenever the surveys are available, I get highest possible survey. So check out Paidviewpoint. I'm going to pin the link under the video description. So if you want to use my link, just click on it and register. But if you don't want to use the link, you can just search the name under your search bar in a Google search, register, and proceed with the settings which I showed you. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it